Hello, in this video I'm gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So the fingerprint sensor is located in the middle at the bottom of the screen, and this is how it works. So we're gonna check out how fast it is reacting to our finger to see how fast we can unlock our device. So if you just tap on it, then you will see the information that we need to keep finger on the sensor. It is barely visible, but perhaps you can see it on the camera. Yeah. So we need to hold it for, I would say, not even half a second, and it unlocks pretty much immediately. So it works quite fast. Now let's do this from the lock screen. Yeah, it's really quick. So of course you need to hold it for maybe half a second in order to unlock your device with your fingerprint, but it works really well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!